Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Homeaglow. Homeaglow is a home cleaning service that connects you with local cleaners through an easy-to-use online platform. Booking a cleaner is simple. You just enter your zip code, choose a date and time, and pick a cleaner from a list of available professionals. The website shows customer reviews and rating for each cleaner, which helps you decide who to hire. Many people like that Homeaglow is affordable and has flexible scheduling, even for same-day appointments. The platform also allows recurring cleanings, so you can set up a regular routine. Cleaners bring their own supplies, which is convenient for busy homeowners. However, experiences vary. Some customers report amazing service, while others say the quality depends on the individual cleaner. Support response times can also be slow at times. Homeaglow works in many cities across the US, so it's widely available. They offer discount for first-time users, which is a nice bonus. The app and website are both user-friendly. Payments are done online, so you don't have to worry about cash. Most people appreciate the time-saving convenience it brings. Still, it's important to read the cleaner's review before booking. Overall, it's a helpful service if you need an extra hand keeping your home tidy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.